Well guys, check out this Instagram page. It has gained over 14,300 followers just by posting these types of luxury car cover matting videos. And the good thing is, this is one of the newest niches in the market right now. The overall video looks incredible on your feed, and I think it's almost impossible to scroll past. The visuals are satisfying, the cars look insanely premium, and the whole concept immediately grabs your attention. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create videos like this in just 3 minutes. Alright, let's get into it. First, I've created this master prompt specially for you guys, and you'll find the link down in the description. Once you have it, copy the entire master prompt carefully and open Claude AI. Once you're inside, just paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. In just a few seconds, Claude AI gives you 10 car ideas to choose from. You can choose whatever you like, but for now, I'm typing more into the prompt box to get some fresh ideas. I simply type more and hit send, and just like that, Claude AI gives us even more powerful video ideas. This makes it really easy to keep finding fresh concepts instead of using the same car ideas everyone else is already posting. Alright, for now, I'm going with number 11. So I simply type 11 into the prompt box and hit send. And just like that, Claude AI gives us an extremely detailed video prompt for it. As you can see, the length of the prompt is great and gives us all the details we need to create the video properly. Now, copy the entire video prompt and open Google Flow AI. Select the video option, click on Ingredients, and set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for the perfect vertical format. Choose Omni Flash for your video model and set your video duration to 10 seconds. Now, paste your full copied prompt directly into the prompt box and hit generate. And within just a few seconds, your luxury car cover matting video will be completely finished. Just take a look. The video looks exactly like we want it, with the luxury car and the cover transformation looking incredibly clean. And by doing the exact same workflow, you can create many different videos like this by changing the cars, designs, materials, colors, environments, and concepts. So once you have the master prompt, you can keep generating new ideas and turn them into videos without having to write everything from scratch every single time. So that's the complete method. If you want to get into this niche before it becomes completely saturated, this is a simple workflow you can start using right now. Subscribe to my channel, AI Xcentra, so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches before they become saturated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.